If you are planning a trip to New Orleans, you must visit the Garden District. A visit to this unique city would be incomplete without a visit to the beautiful Garden District. You'll feel like you've stepped back in time the moment you step off the streetcar and onto this lovely neighborhood's oak tree-lined streets. Each home, from the grand mansions to the small cottages, appears to be more beautiful than the last. Here is what to know about Garden District in New Orleans. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. History: Jean-Baptiste Le Moyne de Bienville, a French explorer and early governor of French Louisiana, founded La Nouvelle-Orléans in 1718 on Native American territory. He chose a crescent bend in the Mississippi River as New Orleans' location because he believed it would be safe from tidal surges and hurricanes. Bienville's engineer drew plans for the new city, an 11-by-7 block known as the French Quarter, in 1720. The surrounding area of the small city eventually became home to several plantations. The French Quarter became crowded as the city grew, and the city's elite did not want to live among the Creoles and immigrants who lived there. The Livaudes plantation outside of New Orleans was divided and sold to these wealthy Americans in the 1830s. The area was divided into blocks and incorporated as the city of Lafayette. Originally, each block had only a couple of houses, each with a large lot surrounded by landscaped gardens. However, by the late 1800s, the city had become more urban. The blocks had been further subdivided and more homes had been built. The city of Lafayette was annexed to New Orleans in 1852. Today, the Garden District is known for its beautiful oak-lined streets and magnificent homes. As you walk around the neighborhood, you'll notice a wide range of homes, from mansions to much smaller shotgun cottages. Greek Revival, Italianate, Queen Anne, and Eastlake are the most common architectural styles. Boundaries. The Garden District's boundaries vary depending on who you ask. The official Garden District Historic District has larger boundaries. They are Carondelet Street, Magazine Street, Josephine Street, and Delachaise Street in that order. Homes facing Street Charles Avenue are not included because it is considered its historic district. Weather. The weather in New Orleans is hot and humid for much of the year, though it can be cooler and less muggy in the winter. Check the weather forecast before leaving the house, put on sunscreen, and grab a cool drink. It also rains frequently, so bring an umbrella. A light dress or shorts will keep you cool in the summer. In the winter, a pair of jeans or pants, a sweater, and a light jacket will keep you warm on most days. Remember to wear comfortable shoes. The sidewalks in this neighborhood are often uneven and, in some places, dangerous. Tennis shoes or flat sandals will protect your ankles. Famous residences. It's a pretty posh neighborhood with all those mansions. Drew Brees, Eli and Peyton Manning, Sandra Bullock, John Goodman, Nicolas Cage, Mos Def, Trent Reznor, and the late Anne Rice are among the more famous Garden District residents. Safety. The Garden District is famous for its opulent mansions and oak tree-lined streets, Street Charles streetcar, Magazine Street shopping and restaurants, the renowned Commander's Palace restaurant, and the historic Lafayette Cemetery, No. 1. The Garden District is widely regarded as one of New Orleans' most secure neighborhoods. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't be concerned. Just keep the basics in mind, such as not flashing cash, avoiding expensive jewelry, hiding belongings at night, and so on. Famous people. Many famous people can be found while staying or visiting the Garden District. With its opulent mansions, the Garden District has attracted many celebrities and notables over the years, including Drew Brees, Sandra Bullock, John Goodman, Eli, Peyton Manning, Nicolas Cage, Mos Def, Trent Reznor, and the late Anne Rice. Hotels. Spending the night is the best way to fully immerse yourself in the magic of this stunning neighborhood. It's far quieter than the French Quarter, and you'll wake up surrounded by magnificent mansions and ancient oak trees. Here are some of the best hotels you can find there. Number 1, the Pontchartrain Hotel. The Pontchartrain is an upscale hotel located steps from the streetcar. The rooms are elegant with old-school touches and European flair. The hotel's rooftop hot tin bar has incredible views that are frequently cited as the best in the city. Number 2. Hotel Indigo Garden District. This less expensive hotel has a fun, modern vibe. It's also just stepping away from the Charles streetcar, making it a great place to start exploring the Garden District, French Quarter, and Uptown. Number 3. Henry Howard Hotel. A boutique hotel in a historic 2-story mansion? That sounds like the ideal getaway to me. This charming Lower Garden District hotel offers rooms with distinctive features such as fireplaces, 4 poster beds, and musical instruments as decor. Number 4. Hotel St Vincent. This recently renovated hotel is housed in a historic Lower Garden District structure that was formerly an orphanage. The luxurious decor in the cozy rooms is classic, but with an eclectic, trendy twist. Some tips. You should remember these hints, especially if you are a first-time visitor to the Garden District. First and foremost, plan on spending at least a couple of hours exploring the neighborhood. Add extra time to go shopping, grab a bite to eat, relax with a cocktail, or even spend the night if you want to get to know the area better. Then make certain that you are respectful. Because this is a residential neighborhood, please respect the residents. On private property, do not open gates, pick flowers, or take photos. While carrying a go-cup with an adult beverage is acceptable in NOLA, keep the noise and partying to a minimum. And always pick up after yourself. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.